Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class.
Traders, how are we? Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the charts. In today's vid, guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. And if you stay till the end of the vid, we're also going to look at the trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. So let's get started. Yesterday, guys, Monday was a bit slow, and basically Monday was a day of retracing, right? And Euro Canadian dollar was a perfect example. So we just follow structure. We were looking to sell this pair because we're clearly in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, right? Downtrend, very bearish candles, and the idea was to potentially come all the way down to the next piece of support and this 4671 level. As you can see, guys, yesterday the chart just spent the day retracing, okay, which is good, really. It means we don't have a trade, itchy eye. It means we don't have a trade, but, you know, it's giving us good value because we still want to sell this pair. Now, if we drop down to the H1, right, because I'm going to just show you this level here, right? So we was interested in this level. And we just never really got a bearish reaction in here. Yeah, so in fact, you know, price started building up and we ended up in a H1 structure. Okay, so if we just zoom out, you can see that H1 is in an uptrend now. And also, just look at the H4 candles, right? None of these candles were telling us to sell this pair, potentially this one, right? But, you know, no other candles telling us to sell, guys. All right, so because of that, we didn't have a trade, although I really like the level it's at. So we'll look at this in today's trade ideas very shortly, but no trade yesterday. If we look at pound Swiss franc as well, again, let's take a look at the day chart, and we were looking to sell this, right? Again, just the things you need to know. You need to know trend, right? Because that is your direction. And you can clearly see we're getting lower lows, lower highs, right? So first of all, trend tick, okay? Next thing is bearish candles. You know, sellers are in control, tick, right? We had a bit of room to move into. If I zoom out, you can see I was just trying to take price down to this next piece of support here. It could go a little bit further, you know, into here, but I just don't want to push my luck into here because there will be buyers in here, right? There were buyers previously, there will be buyers again in here. All right. So yeah, look, lots of reasons to like this trade. Again, if we drop down to the H4, right, these candles here, right, were just telling us not to sell. Then we got a doji, right? Followed by, yeah, this candle here, right? But by the time this candle here finishes, I am sleeping and snoring and dribbling in bed, right? What a lovely picture, all right? But potentially, yeah, we had a trade here with this H4 candle. You know, we had a bit of a retrace, bearish H4 candle, stop above here. But really, do we have room to move into? Because, you know, all of these wicks here, there are buyers, right? In here, buyers, 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 buyers. And that's not me making it up. That's the candles telling us that. These wicks represent buyers. So we just don't have any room to move into here. All right. So for me, it wasn't a trade, but maybe some of you did get in on this candle and are in profit. Okay. But just be careful of this buying level here. All right. So pound Swiss franc, no trade. And then pound US dollar. Again, let's start with the day chart and just go through the things we need to know, right? So first and foremost, I always, is that potentially a low anyway, right? Bang, right? We break this low with this candle here, downtrend, okay? We get these highs are holding and we just got lower lows. Only just, but that is lower lows. That is a break of a low. And we just got bearish candle, and we had room to move into it. All right, back to this level. So we were looking to sell for those reasons. If we drop down to the H4, again, a day of retracing. Yeah, you can tell it's going to retrace because of the candles, right? So look at these wicks, look at these wicks. There's just rejection here. Yeah, that you cannot sell into that. The wicks are like, no, buyers, buyers, buyers. Yeah, those are buying wicks. And then once you see a candle like this, you know it's going to go a little higher. How high? Again, we don't know. We can just trade what the market tells us, what the chart tells us. But it was just a day of retracing. Okay, so yeah, it meant we didn't have a trade on pound US dollar. But all of them are, because they're retracing, are giving us better and better value. So maybe today, maybe in a couple of days, we can have some nice trades on our hands. All right, guys, so those are the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Shukran, Dankashan, Salamat. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 18th of June. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. It's free. We have the free Discord channel. Also, you can join our VIP Trading Academy. This is where I put all of my trade signals. We have other VIP traders sharing their trade signals. You get access to numerous tutorials to help you learn. And you get direct access to me should you need any help with anything. So check out the VIP Trading Academy. Also, guys, right now, on the 24th of June, which is next Monday, we have 7 seats available for our beginner masterclass, right? We had 20 seats, but now got 7 guys. First come, first serve. Our beginner masterclass, as it says, yeah, is for beginners who want to understand price action. All right, everything to do with price action so that you too can understand the charts and find a high probability trade. Okay, if you're interested in that, please check out the link in the video description. Like I say, I think there's only 6 or 7 seats available. Right. Finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many, many perks for doing so. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Yeah, we'll be looking at the CPI reaction from the euro and potentially some live trades. Right, trades for today then, guys. So I am still interested in euro Canadian dollar, right? This hasn't changed. Nothing's changed on the chart, right? We are still in a downtrend. We was in this uptrend and then bang, 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 all technical terms. Yeah, we are in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay. If I zoom in, we've had bearish candle, and although this is a green candle, look at the top wick. There is some rejection at this grey zone, which is what we want to see. Okay, so we are still very much interested in selling this, and all yesterday did was retrace price for us to a nice value level. Okay, now what do we want to see to take a trade? So if you look at the H4, right? Okay, so less information on the H4, right? But important to note is we're still in a H4 downtrend. Okay, so this is good, right? Potentially price can do this. Okay, but the real time frame we're interested in is the hourly, because if we zoom in, right, you can see yesterday the H1 built up, right? And if you're looking to sell and the H1 structure is, building up, it's probably not a good idea to sell that day, right? So we're still waiting for that structure break. Yeah, will it happen today? Maybe. Will it happen tomorrow? Maybe, right? So we just need to patiently wait because price is in an uptrend on the H1. It's hugging the moving average 20. So there's a couple of ways we can trade this. And there's an aggressive entry and a more conservative entry. Okay, so if we follow H1 structure, this is just overnight price action, right? And then price continues. Comes back up to here, right? Maybe we get a bearish reaction. We could start selling from there. Okay, back at these last highs. So that's more aggressive. What I want to see, guys, is a structure break. So perhaps we get a very bearish candle that does this early on in the day. Okay, that is a structure break. We've broken these lows. Yeah, we get a big red candle. I would consider, I would sell this. Yeah, I would start selling this, stop above here, and look to take price lower. Right. However, I'm just, again, guys, when I look at a trade, I need to plan different scenarios. Yeah, if this happens, I'll do this. If this happens, I'll do this, right? So if we get a bearish break straight away, we can start selling. It's unlikely because look at these candles. That is suggesting that we want to go up. So the next scenario is this, right? We just follow H1 structure. Maybe price does this. Maybe it even goes a little bit higher. And then all I'm looking for is bang, right? As soon as we get a break of the lows, we're below the moving average 20, right? I will start selling. Okay, put my stop above here or even here and look to take price lower. So we're just waiting for that structure breakdown on the H1 with Euro, Canadian dollar, however that will look. All right, so Euro, Canadian dollar, that is the main trade idea for today. I was looking at pound Canadian dollar, but Euro, Canadian dollar is a better trade. I'm also, this is not necessarily a trade idea. Well, maybe it is actually. Yeah, but Euro pound, right? Why am I a bit dubious, right? So first of all, I really like this 84,000 psychological level, all right? It was a target with Euro pound last week. And you can see price has reacted here historically, okay? If I zoom, this is the weekly chart. And if I zoom out now, you can see we've had this weekly wick, right, bounce off of these lows. Okay, so I'm conscious of this. Okay, if we go to the day chart, all that's happened is we are clearly in a downtrend, right? And price has retraced back up to these highs here, really. Okay, if price started breaking this level, I wouldn't be interested. Okay, but if this level holds and we get a break in structure, I'm interested. All right, and we've also got a bit of a wick here as well, a bit of wick rejection. Now, again, if we drop down to the H4, you can see we've had a nice bearish reaction at this level on the H4. But obviously, H4 is still, it's just about in an uptrend, actually. If not a bit, it's a little bit unclear, this trend. So, are we seeing that? So we're still in a downtrend, or has this high been broken with that candle and we have higher highs? I'm going to say we're still in a downtrend and we've had a bearish reaction. Okay. But that aside, you still need confirmation, right? And there's this H1 level through here, right? You can see price reacted here, here, and here. And H1, we're still in an uptrend. I know we've got this is just overnight nothing action, right? If price bounces off here, it may well want to come back up to these highs, right? But if we get a nice bearish candle that breaks through these lows, yeah, something like this, I would consider selling this lower. Okay, put my stop above here. Where exactly would I aim for? There's a bit of a level through here, so potentially that last level there, or even there's a level through here. Yeah, I'm seeing these last lows here, or you can see there's a level through there. All right, so these would be my targets. All right, guys. So yeah, not many trade ideas for today, but those are them. Is that right? Is that correct English? Anyway, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 18th of June, guys. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and also check out all the promos we got running in the video description. And don't forget to join us for the live stream today. You can ask me as many questions as you like about trading. 8 a.m. New York EST time. Right. News for today. So there is some very big news to start the day. Yeah. These are all London GMT. Okay. So 5:30, we have the interest rate of Australia. Okay. So as you know, that's pretty important. And they're planning to keep their interest rate the same at 4.35%. Okay. So yeah, super big news, guys. Also, this statement as well. So all the information that comes out of this can really move Aussie dollar pairs. So must be aware of that. Also at 10 o'clock, coming out of the euro, I would say these are 3-star ratings, the zoo, current conditions and economic sentiment. This could really move the euro. And remember, we're interested in euro pairs today. So bearing that in mind, we might not have a trade until after this. At 10 o'clock, we also have CPI. So as we know, this is big news for the euro. So yeah, may not have a trade on euro until after this. So must be aware of that. It could really move the euro. At 1:30, yeah, we've got core retail sales. So again, 3-star ratings can move US dollar pairs. And then after that, guys, we are pretty much free of news. Okay, so a reasonably busy news day. Tread carefully. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later. Have a great trading day.